Hail and well met, wordsmiths. Today the mist lifts off the mountains, and we must face our greatest enemy, not knowing stuff. I am confident that together we can defeat it. One word at a time. Ow! Okay. Well, in this case, we're going to do it 3 words at a time. Our words today are courageous. Courageous. It's an adjective, a describing word. Courageous means able or willing to do something even if you're afraid. Description. Description. It's a noun, a person, place, thing, or idea. A description is some words that explain what something is like. And mythology. Mythology. It's another noun. It means a group of stories that people in the past used to explain nature or the world. These are some fun words, and they all have interesting suffixes. A suffix is a word part that goes on the end of a word and changes the word's meaning. The word courageous has the word courage in it, right? Courage means bravery, and it's a noun. But when we add ous to it, it changes it to an adjective because ous means full of. Courageous means full of courage, full of bravery. Nervous means full of nerves. Furious means full of fury. You're so mad. Over to description. Let's focus on the suffix shun, tion. This one makes verbs into nouns. So the word describe means to explain what something is like, right? So if I slap tion on there, the word changes to description, words that explain what something is like. Now it's a noun. It's a thing, not an action word. Even the word action. Look, I take the word act, to do, to perform, and now I add tion, and suddenly it's a thing, an action, a noun. Mythology has the suffix logi, which means the science of or the study of. Bio means life, so biology is the study of life. Geo means earth, so geology is the study of the earth. Myth means old story, so mythology is the study of old stories. Now we use it to talk about those old stories as a group. Let's use these words in some sentences. Courageous Matilda took a deep breath and entered the cave of the foul-smelling onion beast. She was very brave, you see, to enter the lair of the onion beast. She was full of courage. I guess the onion beast was full of onions. Onioness? Sure. This magic sword doesn't do anything its description online said it would. This is why you have to check the reviews, people. If the description says it's an electric flaming sword of darkness, but it's racking up 1-star ratings all over the place, that description is probably untrue. There's a lesson there. Never buy a sword on the internet. In the mythology of the Maya people, the first human beings were made out of corn. In the stories that the Maya people tell about the long ago past of people, this is one of the explanations that they have about where people came from. I'm from Illinois, so it's hard to argue with. I grew up eating a lot of corn. I was full of corn. Cornulous? Cornful? Nice work today, wordsmiths. I feel like we really took a chunk out of not knowing stuff. Our greatest enemy. Keep at it. The more you know, the weaker he becomes. You can learn anything. David out.